Good morning, boys and girls, or good afternoon or good evening. Today we are going to talk about conversions. When we are doing conversions today, we're going to be talking about how many quarts are in 1 gallon. Hopefully by now you've already watched the video that was on YouTube, and it talked about a kingdom, and it talked about a gallon kingdom. And in a gallon, this represents the gallon kingdom on the video, but it is 1 gallon. There are 4 quarts. And then it goes on to say that there are within each, and the quarts are actually queens in the video, but then it says that there are within each queen or each quart, there's 2 pints, or each queen has 2 princesses. And this helps us to see when we're really talking about what is in a gallon, okay? And so we're going to talk about also cups, how many cups are in a gallon, and they say that each princess has 2 kitty cats, and those are C's, or the cups. And so you can tell that within 1 gallon, there are 4 quarts. That means we're counting by 4s if you think about patterns. We are also within 1 gallon, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 pints. And so within 1 gallon, there are 8 pints. That means that whenever we're doing conversions from gallons to pints, or pints to gallons, we'll be counting by 8. We might be multiplying by 8, or we'll be dividing by 8, depending on if we're going up or down. And then also, we've got 16 cups are in a gallon, so we would be able to use that conversion. Now we're going to look at an in and out box. On the paper that you have, and I've also included another video that also has the same paper. You have an in and out box that goes, it's actually horizontal, and the in is there and the out is there. So the in on here is going to be gallons, and then the out would be, if you put in this many gallons, you would have this many quarts. And then it looks like this. Okay, I'm going to keep it a little bit simple just for the sake of this video. That worksheet or practice can be a little bit more confusing, so we're just going to go in order, just looking at our gallon kingdom. If I have 1 gallon, 2, 3, 4, and then let's make it a little bit more challenging. Let's say we have 9. Okay? So when it doesn't matter, we're going to be doing the same thing. In and out boxes are patterns, and so once you can see the pattern, you can just you can keep going along with the pattern. Okay, and usually they look like this. It's really just a T-chart that's laying down. Okay, so you're going to have 1 gallon. Well, how many quarts are in a gallon? In 1, there are 4. So 1 group of 4. That means that we're multiplying by 4s. In 2 gallons, if we had another gallon, within 2 gallons, we would have, well, we're counting by 4s again, 2, 4, I'm sorry, we got 4, 8, 2 groups of 4 is 8. If we had another gallon, we would have 4, 8, 12, because 3 groups of 4 is 12. And then, of course, if we had another gallon, we're counting by 4s again. 4, 8, 12, 16. And so the challenging part is I'm not going to count out or draw out 9 gallons, but I'm going to say that I know that if I'm counting by 4s each time, it's times 4. That's the rule, times 4. Then this is going to be 9 times 4. And 9 groups of 4 is 36. And so you could use that conversion anytime you had gallons and you need to maybe see how many quarts are in each gallon, and that would help you with capacity and cooking.